Two men are dead, another in the hospital after what appears to be a carbon monoxide poisoning. This happened at a home on Springfield Road in Brandywine. Police say a generator being used inside the home without a way to get the exhaust out led to the poisoning. A family member led us inside the home. There's the generator. He says his two adult nephews were in separate rooms, but both were likely killed by the gas.
Don't have power here. No power, that's the big problem. That's the really big problem. Somebody got the generator and they try to put it on for making it out to the house. And the smoke is killing two brothers. 30 years and 27. This is really hard. This is really hard for the family.
Unfortunately, we see this happen when there are power outages and people are trying to find any way possible to stay warm. Firefighters say the best advice: do not use generators inside of a home, garage, and away from vents that could allow that air into a home.